Foraging and urban farming here. Just got through breaking this little patch of ground with a shovel and turned it over. And now I got my little feathered farm hands in here dealing with any squash bugs that are left, and they'll eat a few weeds and just generally make a mess of things. Even drop some fertilizer for you. Look at that little creature. How's that? Bet you ain't got no farm hands that cute. Anyway, the chickens are gonna do a little bit of roughing up on it for us. Then we'll come out here and break it up and smooth it down and rake it out and get it ready for fall planting. Looking pretty good, huh, guys? You can see some of the chickens still over there, they're hiding from the sun under the okra. We're a little late on our fall planting because the infamous heat dome. It's had us over 100 degrees for a couple of weeks now. Still got okra and peppers growing. That's like, I mean, you'd grow those in the desert. I think they would love it in the desert. I got some overgrown asparagus over there. I don't know if you can see it very well, right? There you go. That was some I was supposed to transplant earlier this year, and I missed some. Oops. Check this out. That's one of our new breed of chicken. He's like got Wyandotte in him, silver lace Wyandotte, which puts some Brahma in him, and silky. Crazy looking, isn't he? Anyway, have a good one, guys.